Heidelberg, Germany, a perfect summer walk through Germany's most romantic city. Hello everyone, welcome back to Aminify Travel. Today we are visiting one of the most beautiful and romantic city in Germany. It's called Heidelberg. If you love historical castles, peaceful rivers, beautiful old streets, green mountains, and unforgettable summer views, then this video is for you. We spent the day exploring Heidelberg, walking through the charming streets, relaxing by the Neckar River, visiting the most in the famous Heidelberg Castle, and enjoying the breathtaking views from the top of the mountain. Stay with us until the end because I will also share some useful travel tips if you are planning to visit this amazing city. If you're enjoying discovering beautiful places across Europe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Aminify Travel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Now, let's begin our journey. Walking through the Heidelberg. Heidelberg is one of Germany's oldest and most famous city. It's located in the state of the Baden-Württemberg and has a population of around 116,000 people. The city is famous for its history, beautiful architecture, one of the Germany's oldest universities, and the impressive Heidelberg Castle. Every year, millions of the tourists from Germany and around the world come here. As we walk through the streets, you can immediately feel the peaceful atmosphere. The old buildings are colorful and full of the history. Small cafes, restaurants, local shops, and friendly people make every street enjoyable to explore. One of the best things about the Heidelberg is that you don't need to rush. This city is made for walking slowly, relaxing, and enjoying every moment. Have you ever visited Heidelberg? Tell us in comments below and subscribe Aminify. Now we are walking beside the beautiful Neckar River. Neckar. This river is on one of the most attractive parts of the Heidelberg. The fresh air, the calm water, and the green hills create a perfect place for the families, couples, and photographers. Many people come here to walk, ride bicycles, have a picnic, or simply sit on a bench and enjoy nature. Look at the beautiful houses built along the river. Many of these homes have fantastic views every day. Imagine waking up every morning and looking at this peaceful river surrounded by green hills. During the summer, this area becomes even more beautiful. Flowers bloom everywhere. People enjoying outdoor cafes. Boats move slowly across the river. And the whole city feels alive. Don't forget to subscribe Aminify. Please subscribe and write your comments. This is one of those places where you can forget your daily stress and simply enjoy life. Heidelberg's historic old town. As we continue our walk, we arrive in Heidelberg's famous Old Town. This part of the city is full of the history. Many of the buildings are hundreds of years old. The streets are made of stone, giving visitors the feeling of a travel back in a time. Here you can find the local bakeries, traditional German restaurants, ice cream shops, and a beautiful church. If you enjoy photography, Heidelberg offers amazing opportunity almost everywhere. No matter where you point your camera, you can capture something beautiful. Looks around this city of the river. Heidelberg Castle. Now we have arrived at the famous Heidelberg Castle. This castle is one of the Germany's most important historical landmarks. It stands high above the city and has a watch over the Heidelberg for hundreds of years. Although parts of the castle were damaged during wars many years ago, its beauty remains unforgettable. Today, visitors from all over the world come here to experience its history and enjoy the incredible views. Walking through the castle grounds feels like stepping into another century. Every wall tells a story. Every tower reminds visitors of Germany's rich history. If these stones could speak, they would tell hundreds of years' fantastic story. The amazing view, one of the most and best moments of our trip, is standing at the top of the mountain. From here, Heidelberg looks absolutely stunning. The Neckar River gently flows over the city. The historic bridges connect both sides of the river. Green forests surround the cities. The mountains complete this unforgettable landscape. This view explains why Heidelberg is often called one of the Germany's most romantic city. Many visitors spend a long time here, simply enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Sometimes the best travel experience is not about doing many activities. Sometimes it's simply standing quietly and appreciating nature. Why most people love Heidelberg? People from many different countries visit Heidelberg every year. Some come because of its famous university. Some come for a history. Others come for photography, family holidays, or romantic weekends. No matter your reason, Heidelberg has something special for everyone. This city perfectly combines history, culture, nature, and modern life. It's clean, safe, and easy to explore. Once again, don't forget to subscribe Aminify. Where or whether you stay one day or several days, we will live with wonderful memories. I am going to tell you some travel tips. If you plan to visit Heidelberg, here are a few helpful tips. Wear comfortable walking shoes because you will walk a lot. Bring your camera because every street offers beautiful views. Visit during spring or summer if you want to enjoy the gardens and green places. Take the mountain railway yearly if you want favor crowds. And don't forget to spend some time beside the Neckar River, especially during the sunset. The color become truly magical. دوستای عزیز و نهایت بینندای امینیفای تریول، شهر زیبایی را که بر شما به معرفی گرفتم شهر به نام هایدلبرگ در ایالت بادن وورتنبورگ جرمنی موقعیت دارد. یکی از شهرهای زیبا و محلاتی که کسانی که آنجا برسند و یا بروند تاریخ سابقه و قدامت آلمان را نشان می‌دهد. زیبایی که با قدامت تعمیر و یا قصر در بالاترین نقطه که موقعیت دارد به یادآور قدامت تاریخ آلمان و یا همشهر هایدلبرگ قصه می‌گوید. این شهر زیبایی هایش را دریای نیکار که برش میگه به معرفی گرفته است. در دو طرف این دریا خانه های بسیار زیبا، سرسبزی، طبیعت بسیار سرسبز به همو اندازه منظم، منظف و بدون بیروبار و یا هم ترافیکی که برای توریست ها مشکل ایجاد کند تنظیم شده است. اگر شما هم واقعیت میخواهید از این لذت ببرید، پس از هایدلبرگ در رخصتی های تابستانیتون با دوستانتون و با خانواده هایتون سفر کنید. باید داشته باشید که امینیفای را سابسکرایب کنید و همچنان نظریاتتان در کامنت با ما بنویسید تا ما بتانیم شهرهای زیبای دیگر اروپا بخصوص آلمان را بر شما به معرفی بگیریم. تا ویدیوهای بعدی شما را به الله و یار میسپاریم.